Hello all, quadratic equations, completing the square method. These are the steps that we are going to use. This is the question. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So let's solve. The first step says make the coefficient of x squared equal to 1. The coefficient of x squared is already equal to 1, so we are going to skip that first step. Step number 2, move the constant to the right hand side. The constant is 6. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Plus 6 is going to cross the equal sign and become minus 6. So we have x squared plus 5x equal to minus 6. The next step. Add the square of half of coefficient of x to both sides. The coefficient of x is 5. So I'm going to add 5 over 2 square to both sides. What I wrote here is the step number 3, add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. So I will half the coefficient of x, 5 over 2. In half of 5 square, I will add it to both sides. So x square plus 5x plus 5 over 2 square. The other side of the equal sign now, minus 6 plus 5 over 2 square. Okay, before we go to the next step, let's solve this side, the right hand side. Let's not solve the left hand side. Leave it like this. I want to show you something. Okay, so x square plus 5x plus 5 over 2 square equals minus 6 plus 5 over 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. So we have x square plus 5x plus 5 over 2 square equals minus 6 over 1 plus 25 over 4. So we have x square plus 5x plus 5 over 2 square equal to the LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 6, 24. Hope I'm correct. Plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 25 is 25. So we have x square plus 5x plus 5 over 2 square equals minus 24 plus 25 is the same thing as 25 minus 24, which is 1. So we have 1 over 4. Good. I said we shouldn't solve this side. Now let's go to the last step. Write left side as a perfect square. That is step number 4. We are going to write the left side as a perfect square. This is the left side. Okay, this step, just memorize this step. Let me tell you how you do. Write just this and this square. X plus 5 over 2. Bracket them square. That is all. Memorize this step that I did. If you expand this thing by putting x plus 5 over 2 two times and then you multiply it like that, it will still give you equivalent to this. It will be is the same as this. Yes, so to cancel this square, we'll take the square root of both sides. X plus 5 over 2 equal to root 1 over 4. 5 over 2 will cross the equal sign and become minus 5 over 2. So we have x equal to root 1 over 4 minus 5 over 2. Now x is equal to root 1 over 4 is plus or minus 1 over 2. You know root 1 is still 1 because 1 times 1 is 1. Root 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. So plus or minus 1 over 2 minus 5 over 2. So x is equal to plus or minus plus 1 over 2 minus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 5 over 2. Remember we have plus or minus. This is plus, this is minus. So let's continue this side. X is equal to the LCM between 2 and 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So x is equal to 1 minus 5 minus 4 over 2. X is equal to minus 2. Now this side, LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Remember this minus. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 5 is still 5. So x here is equal to minus 1 minus 5 over 2. And minus 1 minus, let me write it down. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 over 2. That is minus 6 over 2 is 3. So these are our values for x. Thank you.